Okay, welcome to Keto Week 5. Last week went very well. I'm down to 158. My goal is 150. I started at about 169, almost 170. Actually, the day before I started filming last, 5 weeks ago, I was 170. So come down a lot, lots more to go. About 8 pounds left, but doing well. Got 4 workouts in, tracked my calories accurately. I was able to kind of keep up with everything this week, which was really helpful. And now, I guess on this episode today, we're going to talk about keto brownies. Yay! So I did this recipe last week, and it didn't turn out super well. I was short 2 of the 6 eggs you're supposed to have. And I don't know if that was the problem, but it made it really bitter. So it really, they were edible, but they weren't pleasant. So it was like baking soda or something with chocolate in it. It wasn't very good. So what I'm going to do today is I'm adding in Surkrin syrup and some extra stevia and the extra eggs. I do have all the eggs today. And we'll just see how it turns out. So yay on brownies with keto. That's very exciting. Other than that, it's been good. I'm gonna start doing some weightlifting this week. I did do T-tap for my 4 workouts last week. It's really helping to loosen up my shoulders and stuff. My hips aren't changing a lot. They are, but not really to the point of being able to be seen on the camera yet. But my waist is definitely slimming down. My stomach is way flatter than it was a couple weeks ago, and that fat roll behind my, on my back is almost completely gone, which is very exciting. So definitely looking better, feeling better. I walked into church this week, and my mom goes, "Whoa, you've lost some weight." I went, "Yes, thank you for noticing." Yay. So that's a good sign. Yeah, other than that, I guess let's get on to making some brownies, and then I will see you next Monday. Have a great week, and again, if you ever, want to do something like this yourself, check out the Fat for Fuel book, and, best of luck to you. It's been fun. I'm enjoying it, and I will see you in the next section. All right, we are making keto brownies today, so I'm going to walk us through this. These are our ingredients, and we've got eggs, vanilla, chocolate stevia, ground cinnamon, pink salt, coconut flour, coconut oil, cocoa powder, coconut spray powder, butter, and chocolate chips. Nice chocolate chips. All you need is a mixer, a pan, and an oven. Should be pretty easy, so let's do this. Start by setting your oven to 300 to preheat. Next step, you grease up your dish. And grease up your dish. Then pretty much you're just going to mix everything into your mixer and let it run until well mixed. The directions will be posted after this little short clip. So I'm starting with the 6 eggs. Last time I started with the coconut flour, which was on the top of the recipe list, and stuff didn't get mixed in very well, so this time I'm actually starting with the eggs. Okay, so I've got all the ingredients in there. The chocolate chips are underneath the cocoa powder. But it's all there. I'm just waiting for the butter to melt, and then we'll start stirring. Smells good. And I did put actually 30 drops of this stevia, the chocolate stevia, in there. I did do this earlier this week, and it was kind of bitter still, so I added 30 drops, and I might actually add some syrup in as well to help sweeten it. We'll see. I'm going to try a little experiment just to sweeten this up a little bit. I'm going to add a little Surkrin. I'm thinking maybe a 1/4 cup. I have no idea how that's going to change like moisture or anything, so it might actually end up being a bad idea, but we're going to try it. Okay, everything's in. Looks good. Let's give it a whirl. How much of a mess I can make here. So I'm just going to let that stir up well. Pour it in the dish and cook it for 35 minutes at 300. Okay, brownies are in. can't wait. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, timer went off. Looks decent, actually. I like it. It definitely looks better than it did without those 2 eggs last time. Okay, so it smells really good. You know, nice and chocolatey, obviously. I will see. Looks like I got a little coconut there that didn't quite mix in. There it is. But everything else looks really good. So yeah, we're just gonna let it cool for 30 minutes and we'll do a taste test. Fingers crossed. So real quick before I cut this, I wanted you to see the difference between the brownies with all the eggs and without all the eggs. It's flat and kind of sad looking. It really is. It's just flat and sad. So yeah, look at that. It actually looks like a brownie. All right, let's eat these. So less like a brownie. It actually feels more like cake. It's very spongy. But yeah, it looks good. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this stuff's any good. Way better than last time. Consistency is much better. It's still not as sweet as I'd like. I think maybe I'll add some more of that syrup next time. I think the stevia is good. But yeah, it's still just a tad bitter. You can taste that cocoa powder. That's what it is. But yeah, no, throw a couple strawberries on that. That is totally edible and really good. So yay, experiment was a success. See you guys next week. Bye.